In this video, we're diving into how to use the dashboard in TeamGate CRM, giving you a quick overview of its features so you can start navigating with confidence. Whether you're new to TeamGate or just need a refresher, stick around because I'll also be sharing some alternatives at the end that could work better for your specific needs. Let's get started by talking about the dashboard itself. When you first log into TeamGate, the dashboard is your central hub. You'll find an overview of your sales pipeline, recent activities, and performance metrics. Everything is designed to give you a snapshot of where things stand, helping you make data-driven decisions without needing to dig through multiple pages. Next thing you'll notice is the customizable widgets. These are critical for personalizing the dashboard to your business needs. Whether you want to track your sales pipeline, deal statuses, or team performance, you can adjust the widgets to display exactly what's most relevant to you. It's an easy way to ensure that you're always looking at the data that matters most. The third thing to pay attention to is the navigation bar. On the left side, you'll find easy access to all the main features, such as deals, contacts, tasks, and reports. This makes it easy to jump between different sections without losing your place. TeamGate CRM is designed to be intuitive, so you won't waste time hunting for information. Another great feature is the reporting tools integrated directly into the dashboard. You can quickly see how your team is performing with key metrics like conversion rates and sales forecasts. However, while the reports are solid, they can feel a bit limited compared to other platforms. You might want to explore a few other tools if you need deeper analytics. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the integrations. TeamGate connects with a range of apps, including Google Calendar and email services, making it easy to sync your contacts and meetings. But if you rely heavily on a specific tool like Zapier, you might find the integration somewhat restrictive compared to competitors, especially if you have complex workflows. Now let's talk about the downsides of TeamGate. While the dashboard is fairly clean and user-friendly, it's not always the most flexible when it comes to customization. Other CRM platforms might offer more dynamic views or the ability to really personalize the interface to your exact workflow. Additionally, TeamGate lacks some advanced AI-driven features that some of its competitors include in their dashboards for smarter lead scoring and insights. Finally, I want to mention that at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about a really exciting offer. But before that, if you're looking for alternatives that could potentially provide a better overall experience for your specific CRM goals, make sure to stick around. I'll be mentioning a few tools that not only offer free trials, but also have features that might better serve you. If you're ready to try TeamGate CRM for yourself, I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link below, you'll get the best possible free trial, plus you'll access extended benefits that are only available to our viewers. But like I mentioned, there are also some CRM platforms that could be a better fit for your needs and offer free trials as well. Check out the description for those links. Thanks for watching.